Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how we can find a PhD position in different fields. I will send you the link of this website in the descriptions, and I will let you know how you can use this website to find a PhD. So once you will come on that website, then you will see we have about 7,500 PhD positions in different departments. You can see agriculture, computer science, education, finance, geology, law, medicine. So they have PhD positions in different departments. You can also find PhD by countries: Canada, Ireland, USA, France, New Zealand, UK. So let's start. For example, if you want to see the PhD position in computer science, click here on computer science. Now these PhD positions are available. You can see privacy preserving systems and around security, trust and identity. These PhD positions are available in computer science. We can further filter it, and for example, if we want to find PhD positions only in, for example, if you want to find the PhD position only in Germany, so then click here, location Germany, and we can see these PhD positions are available in Germany. Similarly, if we want to find the PhD position in Australia, then click here, filtering the results, and now we are here, and these PhD positions are available in Australia. Now we can take a look. For example, if we want to take a look in, we can find a PhD position. So PhD in biomedical engineering, understanding heart disease in women. So we click here. We can see how we can apply for that position. This PhD is accepted all over the year, and it's a funded PhD, so they will provide you the scholarship for that PhD. You can read about the project, title, introduction of the project, understanding heart disease in women. You can take a further look into that. Application details. To apply, please submit your CV including your final GPA, all degrees, reference, cover letter addressing the selection criteria too. So you can submit your resume on that email. Funding notes, funding opportunity. So they will provide you about 35,000 Australian dollars for 3.5 years with possibility of an annual $10,000. So you can see it's very simple process to apply for that PhD position. Just send your resume here with cover letter and your transcripts. So yeah, you can also take more look into that. Eligibility criteria. Yeah, that's how you can find the PhD position in your department. If you like the video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. I will send the link of that website in the description. Take care. Bye.